channel. So today I'm going to show you guys some more DIY bottle art ideas. So yeah, I really love making bottle art. So yeah, I just thought of making this video. If you guys are excited for this video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell so you don't miss any new updates. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Guys, first we need tape, bottle obviously, some paint and a paintbrush. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the bottle art. First you have to wrap this bottle with tape as whatever you want, which pattern you want. So yeah, let's do it. Guys, I have wrapped the entire bottle how I want. So we have to paint it. I am using yellow, gold, white and red, and I could make some new shades too. So yeah, guys, it's been a while and my hands look so mess. So I removed the tape out of them after painting, and this is how it looks. It isn't dried fully. So yeah, I'm waiting it to dry and it looks really cute. I really like these abstract things. So yeah, guys, it's all done. So I'm going to put this sequence like ribbon around it, not like sticking it on. I'm just gonna put it through the center and I'm going to wrap it just to give an extra touch, So yeah, guys, this is how the bottle looks finally. It looks so cute. So yeah, enjoy the close-up shots. On the two videos that I made, I just made painting bottle art. So now I thought of making something new, like we need a change. So I just thought of the trending newspaper bottle art, which is really cute and awesome. So we are going to make it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the second one. Guys, for this bottle art you would need a bottle obviously, and newspaper, a scissors, some glue. So yeah, let's start. First you have to cut these papers into small pieces. If they are in the same size, it's great. So yeah, let's cut it. Guys, I cut all the pieces out. So now we have to burn them in like a small kind of things like a candle or a lamp like this. You have to burn the edges so that they look more aesthetic. So yeah, guys, I have burned them all. It took me a while to do that, and you guys could see that the paper looks a lot different now. So yeah, now it's the sticking part. So we have to stick all of these. Guys, I'm using two glues for the sticking purpose. I'm using a white glue and a fabric glue. I don't do a lot of fabric crafts, so I just thought of using it for this sticking. And yeah, let's do it. Guys, we are halfway done. It looks so aesthetic and I really like how it looks. It is taking a lot of time, but it would be worth the wait. And guys, I opened the glue bottle and inserted this pen. It was easier for me because it was so much squeezing and I can't put the glue and it was all a mess. So yeah, the bottle is looking really great. I'm really hoping it would come out so cute. So yeah, we are going to do the rest of it. Guys, we are all done. We just have the final touch to be done. I'm painting the top part gold because I don't like brown top and not looks so cute. So I just thought of painting gold there, and yeah, this is how it looks. So I would see you guys after I paint it in gold. Guys, I painted it and this is the final look. It is from newspaper, and newspaper is like we throw it like trash and it is now a treasure, and it looks so cute and aesthetic and antique. It is like a whole new vibe and I'm really happy that I did it. So yeah, I'm really happy how it turned out and it looks so cute. And if you guys have varnish, you could use that. I didn't have that, so if you have, it would give another level to this. So yeah, let's see the close-up. Guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I really hope you guys all loved it. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell and follow me on my socials. They are all linked down below. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys back with another video. Love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye.